In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in WordPress Woocommerce step by step. If you're new to WooCommerce or need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through the process comprehensively. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the WordPress website. Just open your browser and type in wordpress.com. Once you're there, find the Login button at the top right corner of the site and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage your website, track analytics, and, most importantly, add products to your WooCommerce store. Now, on your dashboard, look for the WooCommerce option on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to expand the menu, and from there, select Add Your Products. This will open up the WooCommerce products page, where you'll see the option to start adding new products. It's as simple as it sounds. When you click on Add Your Products, you'll be prompted to select a product you want to add. This is where you can get creative. Whether it's a new item you just got in stock or a digital product you're planning to sell, simply select the type of product you wish to add. This is an important step as it allows you to categorize your products correctly, ensuring a seamless shopping experience for your customers. You'll be taken to the product setup page where you can fill in all the necessary details. Start by entering the product name and description. Be sure to include a detailed yet concise description that highlights the key features and benefits of your product. Remember, this is what will entice your customers to make a purchase, so make it compelling. Next, set the price for your product. You have the option to include both the regular price and a sale price if you're planning to run promotions. This flexibility allows you to manage pricing strategically over periods of time. After pricing, move on to inventory settings where you can specify stock quantities and SKUs if applicable. Finally, don't forget to add product images. High-quality images are crucial as they give customers a clear idea of what they're purchasing. You can upload multiple images to showcase different angles or variants of the product. Once you've filled in all the required fields and are happy with your product listing, hit the Publish button. And there you have it. Your product is now live, available for your audience to discover and purchase. Adding products in WooCommerce is straightforward and efficient when you know the steps. Remember, the more detailed and appealing your product listings are, the better your chances of capturing customer interest and increasing sales. Happy selling, and thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide.